Well, it is Monday.
Labor Day.
Labor Day. We are going to get some breakfast.
Yeah, so now we're at Bob Evans, and of course, the weather today looks not good.
Yeah, I mean, right now it's not terrible. But apparently, we have just the best timing in the world because we are going to catch a tropical storm during our stay here today.
Well, I don't want to say a tropical storm. What are they calling it? A tropical depression?
I don't know. A lot of rain. That's what it's gonna be. It's a lot of rain headed our way for the day today. So it's supposed to be done later overnight.
Well, we do need to make a stop at Walmart. It's gonna be super interesting. So maybe
I'm sure you all want to see either Cape Coral or Fort Myers. I'm not sure which town we'll be stopping in. Walmart.
Yeah, who cares about, you know, video of the pool and hot tub? We're going to Walmart and Bob Evans. That's what the people want to see.
I'm done living life with the lights out, die with my own doubts. Be free with me.
Well, the other day we found the traffic. Today we found the rain.
Yeah, it's about here, and Lynn did look at the weather, and it is officially a tropical storm.
Yes. Gordon. Tropical Storm Gordon. Trying to figure out what we want to do today. Maybe try to find something indoors since it is tropical storming today, or will be. Right now it's just starting to, you know, rain. It's supposed to roll through and be done by like 2 a.m. I think. So they said it's fast moving. Hoping for better weather tomorrow.
What did they say, 45 mile per hour wind?
Yeah, so that went up, and that what they were saying for like the Miami and the Florida Keys was gonna have 45.
Yeah, so I don't know, we'll see what this has in store. Well, we decided to come back to the Airstream rather than do stuff today because, I don't know, with it being a tropical storm and the dogs being here in the trailer, I felt like we needed to be here.
Yeah, especially since the guy is scared of wind and rain and thunder. Aren't you, guy?
So, yeah, this is our day in Florida.
Yesterday was gorgeous, by the way.
Yeah, I'm really kicking myself for not taking any video yesterday. But all this rain is a really good test to see if this trailer leaks.
So far, so good.
Yeah, good so far. So this has literally been our day. It's
4:35 right now. We're just kind of hanging out. I mean, it's not bad. It kind of reminds me of Ohio.
Yeah, yeah, really, it's just like a typical day in Ohio.
Yeah.
But we got the couch pulled out, and we've just been lounging
lounging with the fluffy blanket and drinking a beer.
Yeah, watching TV. It's
kind of just enjoying each other. It's like a very peaceful, relaxing day.
Yeah,
all
I mean,
all the packed, so guys happy.
He's finally chilled out. This is pretty much all Wolf does. And, you know, just staring out the window, wanting to go outside.
Yeah.
Hopefully tomorrow, you know, it's a little bit better for us. Guy, go for a walk? Go for a walk?
I know.
So the rain has moved through. It's Tuesday.
Yeah, it's finally sunny again for now.
Yeah, it looks much better out. So we're gonna go walk around the campground, then probably hit the pool and hot tub.
Definitely, not probably. Well, since the weather today is so much better, we are out and about.
Yes, it's, you know, not raining. There's sun. It's
92?
92 degrees.
Yeah, the sun feels amazing. We just sat out on our little patio with the dogs and sunned for a little bit. We already went to the pool and hot tub today, and we'll probably do it again if the rain holds off. We're just really utilizing today.
Yeah, we decided we're hungry. Let's go into Fort Myers. So
yeah, we haven't been into Fort Myers yet. We've only been into Cape Coral. So we're gonna check it out and see what we can get into.
yeah, we're gonna get something to eat, and then we're probably gonna look for like maybe some mini golf or something cheap to do, because we did look into like all the touristy stuff.
Yeah, like the boats and everything.
And it is expensive. Not complaining. I mean, we knew it would be.
Yeah, but we're not really that type of couple anyway.
Yeah, we didn't come here to like blow hundreds of dollars on tourist stuff. We wanted to come down and see Jasmine and just hang out in the heat. We like the heat.
And relax, sun ourselves, go to the pool, hot, you know, that's our type of relaxation vacation.
Yeah, we're probably gonna end up at a beach.
Yeah.
You know, we're not gonna come all the way down here and not go to a beach.
I definitely see the beach in our future.
Yes, we need the beach in our life.
Need the beach in my life. So we're gonna see what we get into today. So we got ourselves a storm front heading in. Imagine that. And so we're out here putting stuff away, gonna roll up the awning, put the umbrella down, letting the dogs go to the bathroom before that bad boy hits.
This is a good storm.
It was light like 5 minutes ago. Light
Yeah.
outside.
I mean, it's what time?
7:50 p.m. and it is dark. It is just long. I think it's raining harder and blowing harder than it did during that tropical storm yesterday. Guy is pawing me to hold him. He's under the table with Wolf.
Yeah, it's pretty crazy how hard it's raining.
We can see that storm front coming. Man, it came fast.
Feel that.
Yeah. Wolf is shaking now too.
Now Wolf is scared.
See, it's okay. It's okay. Don't be scared. Yeah, it's okay. Got our dog cave under here. Puppy cave.
This is an awesome storm.
Not according to the dogs.
No, the dogs hate every minute.
We are just cuddling like crazy with them.
Wow! Oh, that was close.
That one was super close. Probably on the campground. Okay, here comes Guy up the ground. Nope.
Guys, like, I've had enough.
Oh, it's okay.
This storm is amazing.
No, it's not amazing.
Yes, it is. That light. Oh!
That one was right there.
I got that one. The lightning blast that hit real close was insane.
That was crazy. Oh. Man, this storm literally popped up out of nowhere too. It's been way more active than the tropical storm yesterday. That was just rain.
Might rain a lot in Florida, but they have the best storms. You disagree?
Storms being the best is not my idea of anything being the best.
I love storms. I hate rain, I love storms. See, we were watching Better Call Saul, but we had to mute it or pause it because the rain was so loud.
And the thunder and everything.
That we couldn't hear the TV.
Yeah. It's okay. No, I'm not calling you up. No.
Alright, I think the best is over. We have the radar.
That's what I'm gonna
Let's see what it says. Yeah, I think it's gonna be about done here.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it's very big or powerful, but it popped up, and that storm front I showed you guys, it was just crazy. I'm covered in drool.
Not from me this time.
That's a change of pace.
Alright, let's turn this off.